Good morning, my dear student. Today we will continue your class 12th history, chapter Rebels and the Raj. Rebels and Raj. Revolt 1857. Revolt 1857. My dear student, if you have remembered my previous class where I have discussed about that the causes of the revolt 1857, I have discussed the three major causes like the political causes, like the social causes, religious causes, and that problem of the Sipai and satisfactions, where we discuss that what was the actual problem of the Sipai, why the peasants also involved that revolt, where we have discussed that peasants and the Sipai and their unsatisfactions. If you remember that I have discussed that in the countrysides, peasants and Jamidar resented that high taxes and the rigid method of the revenue collections, mainly failed to pay back their loans to the moneylenders and they gradually lost their land they had tilled for generation to generation. That was the problem of the peasants, so that's why they involved. And the Indian Sipai in the employ of the company also had reason for that what discontent. They were unhappy about their pay, allowances, and the conditions of the services. Some of the new rules, moreover, violated their religious sustainability and beliefs. I think you know that in those days, many people in the country believed that if they crossed the sea, they would lose their religion and caste. So when in 1824, the Sipai were told to go to Burma by the sea routes to fight for company, they refused to use that route. They refused to follow the order. Though they agreed to buy the land route, they were severely punished, and since the issue did not die down, 1856 the company passed a new law which stated that every new person who took up employment in the company army had to agree to serve overseas if required. These are also the Sipai unsatisfactions. These are the reasons. That's why Sipai they became rebellion against the British rule. Sipai also reacted to what was happening in the countrysides. Many of them were peasants and had family living in the village. So the anger of the peasants quickly spread among the Sipai. These are all unsatisfied the Sipai who provide their service in the British Army. One more thing which I want to point out here, that is the more of them, the Sipai, they were belongs to the upper class. They were Brahmins and Rajputs. And when in the time of the 1806, during that time, that was the first religious revolt done by the British Army in Vellore. Here, the British rule, according to British rule, the Brahmins cannot what uses that वो अपने माथे पे तिलक या छापे का प्रयोग नहीं कर सकता था. Have you see the picture of Mangal Pandey? You should see. And having seen that, the paintings of the Mangal Pandey, you will find that Mangal Pandey used that their क्या छापे तिलक का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. That was forcefully stopped by British rule. And second, they were क्या किया गया, उन्हें पगड़ी बांधने पे भी रोक लगा दी गई. उनकी जगह उनको एक हैट पहनना अनिवार्य कर दिया गया और उस हैट के ऊपर चमड़े के तुर्रे, चमड़े का बना हुआ एक बेल्ट, उसमें एक पक्षियों के पंख लगे होते थे. यह तुर्रा जो था ये सुअर और गाय के चमड़े का होता था, ऐसा सिपाहियों का मानना था. उसको यहां के किले में नजरबंद हुए टीपू के लड़कों ने इस मूवमेंट को हवा दिया. सिपाही विद्रोही हुए और पहला 1806 में वेल्लोर में सिपाही म्यूटिनी हुई. इट मीन्स फर्स्ट रिलीजियस सिपाही म्यूटिनी, फर्स्ट रिलीजियस सिपाही म्यूटिनी happened in 1806 in Vellore. क्यों? क्योंकि उन्हें अपने माथे पे पगड़ी लगाना और तिलक लगाने से रोक दिया गया. उन्हें टोपी, हैट लगाने के लिए फोर्स दिया गया और इसकी टोपी में गाय और सुअर के तुर्रे, इट मीन जो बेल्ट थी उस पर लगाया होता था, उसको पहनना अनिवार्य कर दिया गया. सो दे बिकम रिबेलियन. एंड इफ वी विल minutely observe about the first Sipahi revolt that was happened when first time 1764 Battle of Buxar. 1764. Date here 1806 and before 1805. 1764 Battle of Buxar. बैटल ऑफ बक्सर सिपाहियों का एक बड़ा वर्ग ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी से टूट करके किसके साथ चला गया? बंगाल के नवाब के साथ चला गया. भारतीय सिपाहियों का पहला विद्रोह 1764 में तब हुआ जब बक्सर में मीर कासिम के विरुद्ध लड़ते हुए मुनरों की सेना का एक बटालियन, पूरा एक बटालियन नवाब की सेना में मिल गया. इन सैनिकों के ऊपर मुकदमा चले, ट्रायल्स हुआ और 24 सिपाहियों को तोप के गोलों से उड़ा दिया गया. दूसरा रिलीजियस रिवोल्ट 1806 में वेल्लोर में हुआ, जो इस बात पे नाराज थे कि उनको माथे पे तिलक लगाने से रोका गया, उनको पगड़ी बांधने से रोके गए और जो टोपी उनको पहनने के लिए कही गई, हैट पहनने के लिए कहा गया, उस पे गाय और सुअर के तुर्रे लगे हुए चमड़े से बांधी गई थी. फिर इस तरीके का अगला विद्रोह 1844 में, 1844 फिरोजपुर में हुआ. 1844 में फिरोजपुर में एक विद्रोह हुआ और यह विद्रोह इसलिए हुआ क्योंकि 64वीं जो 64 रेजिमेंट थी, उस रेजिमेंट ने नदी के मतलब समुद्र के उस पार जाने का, व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग दैट 1824 द सिपाही वर टोल्ड टू गो टू बर्मा बाय द सी रूट टू फाइट फॉर कंपनी. दे रिफ्यूज टू फॉलो द ऑर्डर टू द एग्रीड टू गो टू द लैंड. दे वर what? They severely punished. Why? Because the Sipahi believed that if they crossed the sea, they would lose their religion and caste. 1844. and then after revolt happened 1857. So we cannot say that 1857 that was the first Sipahi revolt. Before it, we have seen the various Sipahi revolt that happened 1764, 1806, 1844 and 1824 also. 1800 what? 24 also. 1824 में भी रिवोल्ट हुआ जब 47 यहाँ पे कहा थी, ये 47 रेजिमेंट थी जिसने कहा कि हम समुद्र नहीं पार करेंगे। यहाँ पे 64 रेजिमेंट थी जिसने कहा कि हम समुद्र नहीं पार करेंगे, और इन लोगों ने भी रिवोल्ट किया ब्रिटिश आर्मी के अगेंस्ट। ये सारी चीजें चली। इसके साथ साथ सिपाहियों का अनसेटिस्फेक्शन का एक बड़ा कारण ये भी था कि ब्रिटिश काल में एक नया एक्ट पारित किया गया, पोस्टल एक्ट 1844। पोस्टल एक्ट 1854। According to that, Postal Act 1854, according to that कि जो सिपाहियों को, सैनिकों को निःशुल्क डाक सुविधा मिलती थी, अब वो समाप्त कर दी गई, अब वो खत्म कर दी गई। और 1856 में कैनिंग की सरकार ने सेना भर्ती अधिनियम पारित कर दिया, जिसके अनुसार सेना के सभी सैनिकों को यह स्वीकार करना होता था कि जहां कहीं भी आवश्यकता पड़े वो वहां कार्य करने के लिए जाना ही पड़ेगा। इट मीन्स 1856 द कंपनी पास द न्यू लॉ विच स्टेटेड दैट every new persons who took up employment in the company's army had to agree to serve overseas if required. That is, these are all the reason. That's why Sipahi become unsatisfied, and their unsatisfactions gradually emerged as a revolt. एक नया रूप लिया उसने, रिवोल्ट का रूप लिया। We have also discussed one point, the social reforms. Social reforms also play important role. The response of reform. What happened in Indian society? Even, no doubt to say that the British Governor General, their step was very initiative, fruitful for the Indian society, but during that time it was taken just opposite. क्या लिया उन लोगों ने? कहता कि the British believed that the Indian society had to be reformed. Laws were passed to stop the practices of sati and encourage the remarriage of widow. English languages education was the actively promoted after 1830. The company allowed the Christian missionaries to function freely in its domain and even own land and the property. Article 1813, which I have already discussed with you in my previous video, where I have also discussed the Lex Loci rule, which was passed in 1815. According to that rule, I mean to say that in 1815 the new law was passed, make the conversion to Christianity easier. This law allowed an Indian who had converted to Christianity to inherit the property of his ancestors. Many Indians began to feel that the British were destroying their religion, their social customs and their traditional way of life. There were courts, other Indians who wanted to change the existing social practices. You will read about these reforms and reform movement in the chapter 7. But here the reform which was done by the British officials, Governor General, that was not taken affirmative by Indians. that was taken as a negative way. Indians felt that these are all against of our rituals practices. These are all rules which was passed by the British government. It was totally against of our religion. That's why the huge amount of the people became rebellion against the imperial rule. These are all we have discussed in my previous video. But again I remind you in the new way. And we will read the sudden reaction, the next causes, which was very important. What sudden reaction? What was the sudden reaction? सडन रिएक्शंस क्या हुए? सडन रिएक्शंस की बात करें अगर तो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण थी ब्रिटिश के द्वारा यूज की जा रही राइफल्स. जो राइफल्स थी 1856 में सरकार ने पुरानी लोहे वाली बंदूक ब्राउन बैस के स्थान पर न्यू रॉयल इनफील्ड लॉन्च कर दी. पहले ये किस तरह उपयोग करते हैं? ब्राउन बैस. Then after they uses Royal Enfield. Royal Enfield राइफल्स. ब्राउन बैस की जगह नई राइफल यूज की गई. वो नई राइफल्स थी ब्राउन बैस की. ब्राउन बैस की जगह रॉयल एनफील्ड राइफल्स यूज की गई थी. एक र्यूमर उठा, एक ऐसी र्यूमर थी कि जो नई राइफल्स लॉन्च की गई, न्यू इनफील्ड राइफल जो लॉन्च की गई है, इस राइफल के जो कारतूस हैं, कार्टिलेज हैं, इसके ऊपरी भाग को मुंह से काटना पड़ता है और इसमें जो ग्रीस है वो ग्रीस में गाय और सुअर की चर्बी मिली हुई है, फैट मिले हुए. इट मीन द ग्रीस विच वॉज कवर्ड दिस होल कार्टिलेज. I mean to say that was rumors. According to that rumors, these men performed the new drill for some times. The rumors that the cartilage used for these new rifles were greased with the fat of cow and pig. The men from our regiment, I mean to say that the men from the regiment wrote to others that regiments telling them about this, and there was soon excitement by every regiment. Some men pointed out that in frontiers the services nothing had ever been done by the Sarkar to insulted their religion. But as I have already mentioned the Sipai, mine had been the inflamed by the seizure of Audh. ये पूरा बदलाव हुआ. What I am telling that the rumor, according to that rumors, the cartilage which was used by the Sipai that covered the grease of the cow and pig. So that's why the British Sipai felt that it was nothing, it was only insulted of their religions. So that's why British Army adopted that steps. They want to destroy their religions and their caste. They want that they convert their religion in Christianity. That was also the reason, that was the sudden reactions which changed as a revolt. Various Sipai, various persons, they change himself as a rebellion. विद्रोह का प्रारंभ हुआ, रिवोल्ट शुरू हो गया. इस रिवोल्ट को शुरू होने में जो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण थी, उस प्रोफेसी की महत्वपूर्ण बात थी. प्रोफेसी, कुछ प्रोफेसी थी और कुछ र्यूमर्स थे. ये र्यूमर्स और प्रोफेसी क्या थी? र्यूमर्स, एक र्यूमर्स बना भारतीयों के लिए, भारतीय सिपाहियों के लिए, जो ब्रिटिश सिपाही थे, उनके अकॉर्डिंग वो ऐसा महसूस करते थे. हु the Indians कि after 100 years we will free from the imperial rules. हम imperial rules से पूरी तरीके से मुक्त हो जाएंगे. Rumors and prophecies play a part in moving people to action. As we say, the Sipahi who had arrived in Delhi from Meerut had told Bahadur Shah about bullets coated with the fat of cow and pigs, and that beating those bullets would corrupt their caste and religion. They were referring to the cartridge of the infield rifles which had just been given to them. So that's why I am saying what the rumors that also play very important role for the revolt. The Sipahi who reached Delhi, they claim that they have to use क्या करना पड़ रहा है उन्हें? They have to use the new infield rifles and their cartlages which covered the grease of the cow, the fat of the cow and pig. And Britishers they were referring what? The Sipahi they were referring to the cartridge of the infield rifles which had just been given to them. The British tried to explain to the Sipahi that this was not the case, but the rumor that a new cartridge were greased with the fat of cow and pigs spread like wildfire across the Sipahi line of the North India. This is one rumor whose origin can be traced. The Captain Wright, commandant of the Rifle Instructions Depot, reported that in the third week of January 1857, the low-caste Khalasi who worked in the magazines in Damdam had asked the Brahman Sipahi for a drink of water from his lota. Lota it means I think everyone familiar with the lota. एक पात्र होता है, बर्तन होता है. He asked the Brahman Sipahi that please provide me your lota for drink water. And Sipahi had refused to saying that the lower caste touch would defile the lota. Khalasi had reportedly retorted, you will soon lose your caste, as era long you will have to big cutlets covered with the fat of cow and pig. We do not know the veracity of the report, but once this rumor started on amount of the assurance from the British officers could stop it, the circulation and the fear it spread among the Sipahi. This was not only the rumor, that was also the circulating in the North India. At the beginning of 1857, there was the rumor that the British government had hatched the gigantic conspiracy to destroy the caste and religion of Hindu and Muslims. To this end, the rumor said the British had mixed the bone and dust of cows and pig into the flour that was sold and markets in towns and cantonments. Sipahi and the common people refused to touch the atta. There was fear and the suspicion that the British wanted to convert Indians to Christianity. The panic spread fast. British officers styled men to actions. That response to call for action was reinforced by the prophecy that British rule over come to end on the century of the Battle of Plassey on 23rd June 1857. Here 23rd June 1850 23rd June 1757 Battle of Plassey. First, after Battle of Plassey, 100 years after the Battle of Plassey, we will be free from the colonial rule that was felt by the Indians. That was the prophecy which was done by the someones. On that prophecy, they felt that after 100 years of the Battle of Plassey, the Indians will be free. First. And what was the rumors? This is the prophecy. And what was the rumors? There were two rumors I have discussed. First, the Royal Enfield rifles and their cartridge and second, what they felt that atta, it means flour, that was mixed with bone powder of cow and pig. That is the two prophecies. दो रूमर्स थे और एक प्रोफेसी थी. इसके आधार पे, इन दोनों के आधार पे, पहली जो प्रोफेसीज थी, प्रोफेसी जो लोगों का मानना था कि जो बैटल ऑफ प्लासी हुआ उसके 100 सालों के बाद भारत अंग्रेजों की पूरी तरीके से स्वतंत्र हो जाएगा. दैट वाज प्रोफेसी. And that date, 23rd June 1857, when the revolt started. And second, what were the rumors? There are two rumors. First rumors, which was come in the garrison of the Damdams, where एक खलासी, जो खलासी कहता है कि एक ब्राह्मण सिपाही से वो पानी पीने के लिए उसका लोटा मांगता है, तो ब्राह्मण सिपाही उसे लोटा देने से मना कर देता है. तो कहता है कि आज तुमने मुझे लोटा देने से मना किया है, कल जब तुम अपने मुख से नई राइफल के कार्टिलेज को दांतों से खींचोगे, जिसमें गाय और सुअर की चर्बी मिले कारतूस को आपको बंदूक में डालना पड़ेगा, तब आपके धर्म अपने आप नष्ट हो जाएंगे. तब हम देखेंगे कि आप किस ऊंच और नीच की बात कर रहे हैं. कमेंट करता है ये. और दूसरा जो र्यूमर था वो ये कि कैंटोनमेंट इलाके में, सिविल लाइन एरिया है या उसके बाहर के क्षेत्रों में, ब्रिटिशर्स जानबूझ करके आटों में गाय और सुअर के हड्डियों के मिले चूरे को आटे में मिलाकर बेच रहे हैं. वॉट एवर. बट समटाइम्स आफ्टर द स्टडी दीज रूमर्स फाउंड ट्रूथ. सही पाए गए. दीज वर हैपेंड बाय द ब्रिटिश ऑफिशियल्स, किए गए थे. और इसलिए रिवोल्ट सिपाहियों का ये रूमर प्रोफेसी थी, इसने एक बड़े रिवोल्ट के रूप में चेंज कर दिया. कहता है कि रूमर्स वर नॉट द ओनली थिंग्स सर्कुलेटिंग एट द टाइम. रिपोर्ट्स केम फ्रॉम द वेरियस पार्ट ऑफ द नॉर्थ इंडिया दैट द चपातीज वर being distributed from village to village. A person would come at night and given a chapati to the watchman of the village, and asked him to make 5 more and distribute it to the next village, and so on. The meaning and the purpose of this distributions of the chapatis was not clear and is not clear even today. But there is no doubt the people read it as the omen of upheavals. What I am telling that the matter was totally based on the prophecy and rumors. And we cannot say that only prophecy and rumors, due to that the revolt happened. They have no proper strategy. The Sipahi have the proper strategy. The various articles which studied on the revolt 1857, the Indian historians found that the chapatis and the lotus that was distributed from one village to other village. What is the meaning of that distributions? We don't know. Now, a day till today also, but it had some meanings. Students believe that कि ये सिपाहियों को यूनाइट करने के लिए किया जाने वाला प्रयास था, और इस तरीके से सिपाहियों ने रिवोल्ट किया. इस र्यूमर और प्रोफेसी ने पूरा महत्वपूर्ण रोल निभाया. अब इसका क्या परिणाम हुआ? Why did people believe in the rumors? We will see in next video. आज के लिए इतना ही. गुड बाय एंड टेक केयर.